So welcome to Blackwater Tech. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change the convoluted hose should it get damaged, there's any holes in, or if it's just old and needs changing, or if you need to shorten the length of the hose. Sometimes, depending on how you've stored the hose, if you've left it hanging by one end, it can stretch out this side. But my loops are a little bit long. You get one size that fits everyone. I'm generally in a wetsuit. I'm not the biggest guy around, so it's just fine tuning the length of my hose. So there's some tools you're going to need: a couple of cable ties, maybe a split ring to replace here, some scissors or a sharp cutting edge, some spare hose that you can buy per meter from JJ, and some side cutters with a flat edge there. So the first thing I'm going to do is to remove the split rings. So we just find the end there. Just lift it. Once these are taken off, they're done with. So we'll take that off. That's one. That's another. Okay, so now what we need to do is to get the connection out. So I just hold the hose like so, and you're just going to bend back, and there you get the connection. Okay, as you can see, there's a split ring in there, so we need to take that off. So just put your finger in like that, work your way around, take that off. Now it's important to keep the left side to the left, the right side to the right, because they're opposite threads. Just a design feature to stop you setting your hose, your mouthpiece assembly back to front. I'll do the same with the other side. You just pull it, you can slide it off, you see. Take this one off. Round. Okay, so now I've got my two ends. So you do this here as well if you needed to replace the whole hose. Obviously take the HUD retaining O-rings off. I changed mine out for black ones, but they come with two orange ones. I'm not going to replace the hose, I'm just going to make mine a little bit shorter. So I'm going to take, I think, 3 convolutions off of each end. 3. And if you're in any doubt, just take 1 or 2 off first and see how it feels when you're diving. You still want to be able to turn your head left and right freely. So mine's just a little bit too much. So you can cut, get a sharp Stanley knife or a sharp blade, or you can use the scissors just to cut in between here. You just have to be careful when you use the scissors just to get a straight edge. So I will do this way like that. Okay, just be careful. You can rotate round. Make sure you're in the recess of the convolutions. So, like so. A bit more. Bit more. Very carefully. Okay, last bit. So you can do like that, discard the end, or if you want to use the scissors, just squeeze and cut through like so. Okay, so now you've got your two ends. You might need to just trim up a bit there. The other side's okay. You can see I've gone a little bit close, but that doesn't matter. Okay, so to put this back together, you need to take the split ring, squeeze. I put the split side in first, all the way down, and you're looking to get this piece in here in the second convolution. So I squeeze, come round the back, squeeze from behind. You can see it's just starting to go in, force it round, and there, that's ready in the second convolution. Do the same on the other side. Let's move this O-ring out the way. Okay. Squeeze round, squeeze round. Okay, yeah, that's in there. Now we need to put these back on. The best way to do it is to put your thumb on the inside. So keep my thumb there, take a good grip below the split ring, and you're just going to have to work it in. So this can be quite tricky. So at first you get the hose around the connection, and then you look for the split. So my split is, okay, I can feel my split there, you see. So I keep my finger on, go around the back, work it round over the edge of the connection, and keep working it down until you get it into this groove here. Okay, so that's in, nice and secure. If you wanted to use the split ring, you need to get these from JJ. It's quite tricky actually. There's a technique they showed me in the factory, but for most people you're not going to have these. You might be on a boat and your rebreather takes a hit, or you find out there's a crack or a split and you need to make a quick repair or a quick change. So the cable ties are the easiest way. Okay, I'm just going to do the other side. Once again, holding there, thumb in, find the split, I've got it there. So first off, okay. Okay, there's the split ring. So I work my way around the back, all the way down. Keep moving it. You can hear it clicks into place, and it shouldn't pull off. Okay, once I'm happy I've got that in there. Okay, so once you've done that, take your cable tie, and you're doing it on the connection side of the plastic split ring. Pull it nice and tight, and then this way it's not going to come off. It will still stay on if you do it the other side of the split ring here, but it's better to do it the side where this normally goes, and it won't get past the plastic ring. So I'll do both of those. Like so. Then I'm going to use my side cutters with the nice flat edge there, so you can get a nice cut and it's smooth. Same there. Okay, and that's done, ready for diving. So if you like this video, please subscribe and keep an eye out for more JJ maintenance and servicing videos coming soon. Thanks.